Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to create group policy and link it to OU. I have already uploaded more videos related to the group policy, but I thought I should create one more video related to the how to create a separate group policy and link it to the OU. Right, so I'll show you step by step how you can create and link to the OU or to the domain label as per your requirement. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user and if you have not subscribed yet my channel IT Parivar, so just to support me and just to motivate me, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I will upload the new video, you will get the notification. So let me start now. Let me jump to the my domain controller. So this is my domain controller. This is my DC server, or you can say AD server to directory, from where I will show you how to create a group policy and apply or link to the OU label. Okay, so here I have opened a server manager, and let me show you one more thing. So yeah, my DC name is like this, server name is DC and the domain name is itparivar.local, right? So this is my domain controller. In same way, you have to open server manager on your domain controller, go to the tools and open the group policy management. Okay, so here I have created few group policies except default domain policy and default domain controller policy, like common wallpaper and create local user and all, right? But let me create one more group policy here. So the best way is to create the group policy under the group policy object OU here, right? So you need to right click, go to the new and type here the group policy name. So as per your requirement, like if you are going to disable control panel, or if you are going to disable anything, or you are going to restrict any application, or going to provide any permission related going to apply any permission related policies, so accordingly as per requirement you can name it here. So I am going to just here like the test or disable control panel. Okay, so I am going to say okay. GPU with already, oh sorry, so if you have already created any GPU with the same name, then you have to enter the unique name, or you can say different name. So as this policy, I think this policy I have already created here. Yeah, so let me change like test group policy for block CMD. Okay, so in same way, this is just for testing, just to show you I am keeping this name. So I'm saying here okay. So you can see now group policy that is test group policy for block CMD has been created here, and this is not linked here. You can see the location is blank, there is nothing here. Okay, so I will show you now how you can link this group policy to any OU. So before going ahead, I have to check, or you have to check, like by opening the Active Directory users and computers. So suppose here you can see like a few OU built-in computers and domain controllers, test OU and users. So suppose if you have to apply that group policy here to the test OU, right? So what you need to do, so after creating this policy, you can like you can configure by going to the edit option and all. So as per your requirement, I have already shared many videos related to the group policy, how to configure. So I'm not going here to show you how to block the CMD, but just I'll create it here one group policy, and I'm going to link this to the OU, right? If you have any query, you can just leave your comment. I'll try to assist you guys. So now as per the Active Directory users and computers, we have one OU like test OU, right? So I'm going to link that group policy to test OU. So let me now expand it. Okay, so if you'll open the group policy at your domain controller or your Active Directory server, so you need to expand this. Okay, then you will see some OUs, otherwise you need to expand. So here you can see whatever the OU that will be available under Active Directory users and computers here, that will be visible in the group policy management also here, like. So you can see here the test OU is available here, right? It is showing here, which is available in the Active Directory users and computers. Okay, so we are going to link that newly created group policy for this OU. Okay, so just need to right click and link an existing GPU, right? We have already created, so we will select this, right? One more option we have, like if you want to directly create the group policy and link to the OU, so just right click and you can select the first option, create a GPU in this domain and link it here, right? So you will see the same option here. You need to just enter the group policy name in same way like we have entered, right? So we are going to link an existing GPU. Oh, I'm sorry, there is some network connection error, so I think need to wait. Let us, yeah, connection is restored. Yeah, so now we need to say select this option, link an existing GPU, and select this test group policy for block CMD. Okay, so this group policy is linked to the this test OU, right? So whatever the machines or users will be under this test OU, those policy which will be linked here, those policy will be applied for the those machines or users which will be under this test OU, right? So in this way you can link the group policy to the any specific OU, or if you want to link that to the domain level, so you need to right click here on the domain name and link an existing GPU. So just need to select and say okay. So if you will link here on the domain level, so the policy will be applied for the all domain users and computers, right? If there is no like filtering, or if there is no any inheritance or enforcement is configured, right? So guys, in this way you can create group policy and link to the OU. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar and like this video. If this video will be helpful for you, really, you can give me super thanks, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.